Hello everybody, this is Utopia International English and this is Cher. Today is August 10th and today for interview we have Patina and she is going to read some article for us. Please, Patina, what are you going to read for us today?
Mice meeting.
Mice meeting.
Mice meeting.
Okay.
A long time ago, there was a big cat in the house.
In the house.
In the house,
He caught
many mice.
many mice.
Many mice. While they were
While
yeah. No, while they were stealing food.
Stealing food. Okay.
Stealing food. One day, the
mice
had a meeting to talk about the way to deal with their common
enemy.
Okay.
Okay.
Some said this.
Some said this.
Some said this. And some said that.
Okay.
At last, young
mouse
got up and said that he had a good idea.
Okay.
We could tie a bell around the neck of the cat. Then
no, you should say, look at me. When okay,
when he comes near, we can hear the sound of the bell. And run away. Everyone approved of this proposal.
Yeah.
But an old wise mouse got up and said, that is all very well, but who will tie the bell to the cat?
Okay.
The mice looked at each other, but nobody spoke.
Okay, very good. But you have a little bit problem with the accent pronunciation, right?
Right.
Okay. So, but in any way, so I have some other questions, Patina, for you.
Yeah.
I want to know, why did you come to Utopia International English?
I will go to other country.
Okay, you are going to other country, right?
Yeah.
And exactly, can you tell us to which country are you going?
Australia.
To Australia. Okay. So why are you going to Australia?
Because I have a trip in this summer.
Okay, you have a trip on this summer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you are going on a travel,
Yeah,
right?
I'm very like there.
I like very much to go there.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So it was our interview with Patina for Utopia International English. Thank you very much. See you next time.